up? My name's Ruben and this is my touge R34. How you going? My name is Ruben and this is my touge R34. I've owned this car for about 7 years now. I knew exactly what I wanted for my first car and found a good deal. I flew down to Sydney to get it, drove it back up on my L's with my dad. And at the time it was just a stock standard RB25 DE Neo, so the non-turbo model for anyone who's not too familiar. Not all these came with RB25 DETs or RB26s, as everyone in the US seems to think. Didn't make a whole lot of power. Decided to go something that I could actually drive turbo on my Ps, and I bought a SR20 DET 180SX. And that thing was fun, ripped around for a bit and just got sick of fixing it. So after a while, finally hit my opens and decided it was time. Sold the 180 to fund this project. While I was ripping out the DE anyway, I decided to go something a little bit more interesting. So quick rundown, engine is still stock bottom end. I've just done an OEM refresh, just all the basic upgrades, ARP head studs, flex fuel system, 2 Walbro 460s in the tank. Just went for an in-tank setup, trying to keep it more street than anything. Borg Warner S369 SXE. It's the 69mm journal bearing, billet wheel, Bosch 1000cc injectors, running a Haltech Elite 2500 with their full flying lead loom, which I put together myself. I decided that I had no wiring skills, hated wiring, and I didn't even really know what like a relay was. So I thought, what better way to learn than to just hack into it and try to put something together, see if it works, and it did. So I've got the IC7 dash as well, super handy with all the sensors in that. Sort of gets rid of the need to have all these different boost gauges and water temp gauges and that as well, so it keeps the car real clean. Battery relocated to the boot. I've got a CD009 with a twin plate in it. I won't speak too much on that because it is terrible, but it works, it holds power. So just did an R33 GTST brake upgrade, just the standards. It stops really well, feels good. Kansei tandem wheels, Cusco 2A LSD, genuine Hitachi coil packs out of a R35 GTR. Standard intake still, drive-by-wire, BC springs and retainers. Still have the stock cams in there, still have VVTi, and it currently makes 620 at 22 PSI.